Got me a little hermit crab. Oh, he's okay. We had an awesome time scuba diving, or not scuba diving, snorkeling. Scuba diving tomorrow.
Are you part of a cult? What? He's got a triangle.
Y'all don't mess with me.
I think Neptune got you, man.
Y'all don't mess with me.
You got kissed by Neptune.
It's either that or it's the Liberty Bell. Look at that.
Oh,
It's the chosen one.
I'm the chosen one. Alright, so we had an awesome time. What are we doing next?
Get some water. The aquarium?
So we decided to go to the Willie T. They got a bar here. I mean, it's pretty much a floating bar. Oh man, someone sticker bombed the hell out of it. It'd be nice if we had some stickers. Nice.
There's a sign that says no
On this boat, check out all the fish. It's an interesting, what is this? A lot of stickers. What is this one?
You guys really should have brought stickers. Look, it's our kitty.
Yeah. Beautiful view.
Pretty.
Yeah. No jumping or diving. Alright, had a good time. Now it's time to get back on the water. Oh.
This was the prime
Thank you.
sprayed spot.
Thank you for bringing us out here, man. It's very, very good. Awesome.
You spent a lot of time down here too. Now you thought it looked like an Indian's headdress.
Okay.
There's a cove on Great St. James, excuse me, one of Epstein's former islands. It's called Christmas Cove because Columbus spent the night there, Christmas Day. Fun fact.
Go in, put the camera down until I'm in. All right, just for my record from my dive book, we were down about 50 feet.
Yep. For about 45 minutes.
And water temperature?
80 degrees.
Water temperature's 80 degrees?
Yeah, it's 79.9, so let's call it 80.
Ah.
Good round number.
Okay. And we had
it's just dipping into the 79s, but like not to a point where it's really...
And
Alright,
two dives.
We're gonna be back in Cruz Bay in a few minutes. While waiting for the YouTube channel. Want to be part of the video?
Oh, you're more than welcome to.
Guys, we really apologize for just choosing just one location, but the conditions were not ideal to start exploring around today with all the crazy wind. So we found a good location here today, good protection from the wind. There's like 23 knot wind out there.
Social media, what?
If you go to any social medias, we like Google, TripAdvisor, Instagram, and feel free to tag us in any of your videos. All that on dive
For how lovely they are, how wonderful, how exciting
Yeah.
it was.
Sure, they want to say that Aqua was swimming from Cuba. Definitely.
Yeah.
That's not on there.
Alright, thanks guys.
Here we are, around the corner. Keep going.
There's a chunk.
Yeah. That's a big chunk, and I don't even know what it is.
Bigger chunk.
Can I just put the car right
Yeah,
now?
do it.
Where the hell do you even put the car?
Guys, I'm going to be walking around the back of this thing because I got to take a wee.
There's a parking space right there.
Okay,
Or
is
right
there-
here, yeah.
I'm sorry.
Look.
Oh, no,
Just watch out for snakes.
Yeah. I hadn't seen these.
I haven't been in the high grass.
That place is awesome.
Yeah.
I love.
I think you should finish it out, dude.
Yeah, totally.
We're gonna leave you here for a week and a half. Oh, week and a half.
Oh, I love it. All right, guys, I'm going around the back. Oh, it's so cool. That's brain coral. So she said there's an upstairs. A room. A room. This is so cute.
You gotta come in.
Come into your house.
Oh, wow. It's got these giant channels,
Whoa.
and then you have the ring of ferns. Like a
Whoa.
fairy garden.
Yeah, so it had a second floor on it because there's a piece of a beam right there.
Yeah, all of these would be.
Yeah, that's all held beams. And whoa,
Yeah, these
What-
big channels.
what is this
For
for?
equipment or something.
Oh, someone killed a
Oh, look, this
millipede.
is upstairs.
Oh yeah. This was for something.
You should take a picture of me and framed in one of the things.
That's so
Art
cool.
is-
So this was some sort of a mill?
No,
that-
no.
No?
I think it was just a. What was this built by the pirates or who built these?
No, I think this was for the storage of stuff. Like
Oh, grain
sugar and
stores?
things.
Well, this is all like sugar plantations, I think.
Oh,
It
okay.
looks like an ancient silo. I guess, yeah.
So,
Huh.
Oh, that does look like a gun port.
It does look like a gun hole for defending.
Yeah, maybe it is.
Yeah.
do you think that's the ancient pizza oven? I'm not joking. Look at it.
She's, come on.
Bread?
They didn't have pizzas back then. Here. Here.
It looks like a pizza oven.
Pizza.
Well, that's where we're supposed to come and get our pizza for lunch. They closed.
I like how the mortar, they shoved little rocks in with the mortar. It just gives it a cool look.
It's very
Ah.
neat.
I think that probably
Look at the there's a name for this.
Keystone.
Keystone.
Keystone, yeah.
That's coral. That's
Oh,
not
is that
that's
coral?
not wood.
You're right,
That's
you're
coral.
right. That is coral.
Yeah.
Wow.
Keystone.
Somebody's very creative and artistic.
They were.
Yeah.
That's coral. There's pieces of coral all in this place. They shaped it.
Plot it out. Look at it on the
Yeah,
sides.
there. Yeah, that's more coral. Right there.
I like that.
Yeah, it's
I
cool.
wonder what the purpose of this was.
I don't know what the purpose of this was.
Oh, the light's not good here.
Yeah. So we're gonna go onto the house and relax now. Did some exploring. I love it. I love exploring. All right. I'll see y'all at the house or tomorrow. So it's the end of the vacation. We're packing up our stuff and we're fixing to head on home. So I gotta say I had a fantastic dirty lens. So I had a fantastic vacation. We got to hop on the plane in the morning. So I'm just out here on the beach, kind of looking for some really cool shells. And guys, I guess that's it for this video. Appreciate y'all watching. Appreciate y'all allowing me to go on this vacation. And I reckon I'll catch y'all later. Thanks for watching. Found a boat engine. See if I can get over to it. There it is. What kind of engine is that? It's a 3-cylinder. I'm sure it's a diesel, 3-cylinder diesel. Been here for a little while. Alright, it's starting to get dark. I gotta get in. Happy Father's Day, Dad.
They should name that alligator